Hey, welcome to the show. Today on the show, I'm going to show you an easy way to save a playlist for kids videos. So what happens, I make a lot of kids videos, and when you make a kids video, you have to put on there as an option made for kids, and what that does, it disables all comments and you can't save to a playlist. So for instance, right here on these three dots, you usually would say push right here and you could save to a playlist. So as a teacher and a parent, I really liked saving playlists so I could show to my classroom, I can keep all the drawing videos or educational videos and save to a playlist. So what you need to do, there's a workaround that, is up in the search column right here, type in what you're looking for. So let's say it's my channel is LampoFilm and math. And you search for the video you're looking for. And then right here, um, let's say it is geometry, this one you want. Don't click on this part right here. Click on the three dots and easy cheesy lemon squeezy, it'll give you the option right here to save to a playlist. So you can either save to one of your playlists that you already have, or you can create a new playlist. So this is an answer to creating playlists for teachers and parents of cool educational kid videos and the dance videos and all those songs. Hey, while you're at it, when you're on the internet, why don't you check out my channel on YouTube, LampoFilm. This is my channel. It's all kid friendly. I have a learning fun show. I have an easy art fun show, very easy art. I have a product review show, and I even have some popular videos. I even filmed a tornado, and I even have some fishing videos on here too. So I hope you're all having a great day out there, and I hope this little tip and trick helps you, and we will talk to you later. Adios. Bye-bye.